Taktvoll ES-200PK Intelligent Electrosurgical Unit is suitable for various open surgeries. It has 8 working modes, which can be controlled by hand or by foot. It has stable performance and can also be used for facial cosmetic surgery and neurosurgery operations at low power. The Taktvoll ES-200PK Intelligent Electrosurgical Unit has a compact size, a simple and elegant appearance, and a clear and intuitive interface in the 3 working areas: cutting, coagulation, and bipolar. It adopts a standard interface design and can support the mainstream electrocuting and electrocoagulation equipment on the market. Taktvoll ES-200PK Intelligent Electrosurgical Unit is easy and quick to install. Its self-check program can ensure the device is always in the best working condition and performance. Taktvoll ES-200PK has an integrated patient monitoring system, which can automatically monitor the contact quality of the negative electrode and the patient in real time. The system can also be initialized according to different tissue impedances. If the connection quality is lower than the set value due to the failure to fully fit the skin, the device will give an audible and visual alarm and immediately cut off the output power to ensure the safety of the patient. In the cutting mode, Taktvoll ES-200PK can switch between 1 pure cutting and 2 different blend cutting modes. The device also has 3 types coagulation modes and 2 bipolar coagulation modes to provide abundant options for surgical operations. The maximum bipolar output power is 100 watts. The maximum output peak voltage of the 5 coagulation modes is as high as 9,600 VPP, which can quickly coagulate the wound and avoid tissue infection. Taktvoll ES-200PK adopts a digital display. All of the above modes can be used to quickly adjust the functions and parameters through the buttons, accurately display the power, and achieve the desired surgical effect. At low power, the key conditions have high precision settings, which can be used for microvascular hemostasis operations. At high power, the output adjustment can be increased step by step, with a large range of options and wider range of applications. In addition, it has a dual pedal interface, so there is no need to switch between monopolar and bipolar modes during the operation. It provides convenience for an operation that uses the functions of monopolar cutting, coagulation, and bipolar coagulation at the same time. Taktvoll ES-200PK also has extremely powerful expandability. When it is used at the same time with Taktvoll smoking device Smoke 3000 Plus, it can easily realize the smoking function, and the smoke produced during the operation can be discharged automatically, quickly and safely. Now we are going to show the different performances of the Taktvoll ES-200PK under different functions. In monopolar mode, ES-200PK electrosurgical unit has 3 cutting modes: pure cutting and 2 blend cutting modes. We push buttons to switch the cutting mode and power settings. Pure cutting mode can perform standard and precise cutting effects on the tissue. Blend cutting 1 mode can coagulate the tissue to a slight degree while cutting accurately. Blend cutting 2 mode can perform a further degree of coagulation on the tissue during cutting. In monopolar mode, the ES-200PK electrosurgical unit has 3 coagulation modes: spray coagulation, forced coagulation, and soft coagulation. We push buttons to switch the coagulation mode and set the power. Spray coagulation mode can achieve hemostasis in wider range and less damage to the tissue depth. Forced coagulation mode is a fast and effective standard coagulation, with a large coagulation range and firm scabs. Soft coagulation mode. It can coagulate gently and penetrate deeply, effectively preventing the carbonization of the tissue. In bipolar mode, ES-200PK electrosurgical unit has 2 modes: standard and precise mode. Similarly, we push buttons to switch the bipolar mode and set the power. Precise mode. Used for high precision and fine control of the amount of drying. Used in neurosurgery and microsurgery. Standard mode. Suitable for most bipolar applications. Used when the impedance of coagulated tissue is high. And can also be used for tissue cutting. In addition, the ES-200PK electrosurgical unit adopts a new generation of tissue power automatic compensation technology, which senses the density difference of different tissues through closed-loop feedback, makes cutting smoother, and can greatly reduce tissue thermal damage.